For thousands of years, the Great Pyramid of Giza has stood in the desert like a silent giant, a monument older than almost every civilization we know. People have walked past it, studied it, measured it, yet no one has ever fully explained how this impossible structure was built. It rises 146 meters above the desert floor, made from more than 2.3 million stone blocks, some weighing as much as a small truck. Even today, with cranes, lasers, and advanced machines, constructing such a structure would be nearly impossible. So how did ancient humans do it? To find the answer, we must go back more than 4,500 years to the time of Pharaoh Khufu. This was a world without iron tools, without wheels for heavy transport, without machines, just human hands, simple tools, and an unshakable belief that what they were building was a doorway to eternity. First, the land had to be prepared. Before a single stone was laid, the Egyptians leveled the desert floor with extraordinary precision. Somehow, they created a foundation so flat that modern engineers still stand in disbelief. How did they do this? Evidence suggests they used flowing water to mark perfect levels, turning the desert into a giant measuring instrument. Then came the quarrying. Workers cut massive limestone blocks using copper chisels and pounding stones. Each strike echoed across the desert as thousands of men shaped, lifted, and transported these stones for miles. Some stones came from Tura across the river. Others, like the giant granite beams inside the pyramid, were transported from Aswan, over 800 kilometers away. Imagine the coordination. Boats carrying stones down the Nile, ramps built from mud brick, workers pulling ropes in perfect rhythm, chanting to keep time. This wasn't chaos, it was a masterpiece of organization. But the real mystery lies in how the stones were lifted. Many theories have been proposed. A massive straight ramp, a spiraling ramp, wooden levers, water lubrication. Even lost ancient techniques we no longer understand. Yet none of these theories fully explain the precision, because the pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the four cardinal directions. Each side is nearly exact in length. Its corners form a perfect square, and its orientation is so accurate that even a tiny error in measurement could not be found. Who taught them this? How did they know the path of the stars? How did they measure angles with such accuracy using only the simplest tools? Some believe the answer lies in the sky. The pyramids align with Orion's belt, a constellation connected to the god Osiris. For the Egyptians, building the pyramid was not just engineering, it was a spiritual act, a way to align heaven and earth. Inside the pyramid, narrow shafts point toward specific stars, as if guiding the soul of the pharaoh to the afterlife. Every chamber, every passage was designed with cosmic purpose. Modern scientists continue to study these mysteries using lasers, sonar, and advanced scanning technology. They've discovered hidden voids, unexplained chambers, and architectural secrets still locked within the stone. Yet the truth remains. Although we understand some techniques, we still cannot fully explain how the pyramid was completed with such perfection. Was it manpower, genius, lost knowledge, or something far more mysterious? What we do know is this: the Great Pyramid represents not just physical strength, but human imagination. A belief so powerful that it shaped millions of stones into a structure that has survived war, weather, and time itself. Generations have stood before this monument. Kings, explorers, scholars, and ordinary travelers, all staring up in awe, wondering the same question: how did they build it? And maybe that is the real magic. Not the answers we discover, but the mystery that remains. A reminder that thousands of years ago, Humans achieved something so extraordinary that even today it challenges the limits of our understanding. The Great Pyramid is more than a tomb. It is a message carved in stone, a message that says humans are capable of impossible things, and some mysteries are meant to survive forever.